Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we will talk about how to backup WhatsApp to Google Drive. So for this, let's open our WhatsApp app. Once the app is open, click on three dots on the top right corner and from there click on Settings. Now here click on Chats. Scroll down and there you will find the backup option. Click on Chat Backup. So here we have Google account option. First of all, click on it. And from here add a Google account that you want to add. So I will go with this Google account here. Once you choose the Google account, then click on OK. So it will start authenticating, and here it may take few seconds while adding your Google account. Okay, so now click on continue again. So now the Google account is added. Click on backup and it will start backing up. So in this way you can backup WhatsApp to Google Drive. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.